It's amazing to think that Lorca born in the 19th century. He lived in the 20th century, and we are in the 21st century talking about him.
Lorca is one of the most representative artists in Spain. When you go to Spain, everything speaks about Lorca. Granada, La Alhambra, the poetry of Lorca, his life.
His words, his thoughts, it's humanity. It's about love, it's about art, how to feel pleasure, how to feel the emergence with life. It was the first time of my life that I worked with singers from opera. And it's amazing how they can bring through their voices expressivity, intensity, truth. They are telling something that you believe through their voices.
When I work with singers, of course, I show hands movement, the attitude, but this is not the most important. The most important is that the audience who is watching the show, they see some movements speaking about a real feeling, not only copying, not only dancing, but real feeling. This what is Spain. The biggest part of the music are based in flamenco rhythms, seguidilla, bulería, soleá. We work in the rhythm, what is very complex because we are mixing electronic music with flamenco music, and that's completely new for us. I mixed the real flamenco movement, very strong, very profound, with contemporary movements. It's a good challenge.
I have singers, I have dancers, but I want that the audience will not recognize who is the dancer. They are all singing, they are all dancing, they are all creating this landscape, these locations.
With the passion, with the tragedy, with the energy of the Spanish dance, for me it's a present.
I hope that the audience in the end wants to read Lorca, wants to dance, wants to step, clap, and to fight for the good things in our world.